Hey everyone, welcome to Digit.in, and today we have a hands-on with the new Honor View 30 Pro. Now this smartphone was recently launched in China and is the new flagship Honor smartphone which runs on the Kirin 990 SoC, and it comes in two variants. One is with 5G and another one is without 5G. So the thing is that Huawei is no longer using Android, and thus Honor also could not use Android on this phone, so it's completely devoid of G apps and the standard stuff, standard Google apps that you are used to. So there's no Play Store, there's no Gmail, there's no Google search, and there's basically nothing Google in this phone. And instead Huawei is using its own ecosystem. Even though it runs on Android 10, it's based on AOSP, and here right now, like you can see, like there are many alternatives to the regular apps that you use, Google apps. For example, instead of Google Maps you have A Maps, and instead of Chrome there's this browser, I guess it's Dolphin browser, I'm not sure. But so there are many alternatives that the company is shipping out, and they all can be downloaded via the app gallery. So here, as you can see, that the settings menu is mostly unchanged, but if we head over to the about phone section, you can see that the Magic UI version on this, it runs on Magic UI, and the version number here is 3.0.1. and even though it's Android 10, there are no Google apps as mentioned earlier. And this phone runs on the Kirin 990 5G SoC. So this is the 5G variant of the phone, and this particular unit is equipped with 8GB RAM along with 256GB of storage. The Honor View 30 comes equipped with a 6.57-inch display, full HD resolution, 1080 by 2400. Talking about the camera, the main setup on the phone is a triple camera setup which consists of a 40MP sensor which has an f1.6 aperture, and it's a wide camera. And additionally there's an 8MP telephoto sensor as well, and a 12MP ultra wide camera. So you get normal photography, wide and ultra wide photography as well. On the front you can see that there's a dual camera punch hole setup which houses a 32MP sensor with f2.0 and an 8MP sensor with f2.2 aperture. Let's take a look at the settings that are offered in the Honor View 30. So as you can see, this has a triple camera setup with a 40MP main sensor. And heading over to settings, we can see that the resolution you can select from is 40MP, 10MP, 7MP and 6MP. So when you just open up the camera and take a shot, it won't capture in 40MP resolution, and it uses pixel binning to compound 4 pixels into one. So, and it outputs a 12MP image. And for more settings, as you can see, like you have your standard options here to choose from, but when you move to the photo mode, and so you have portrait here which makes use of the depth sensor. There's also a night mode, there's AR lens, or the video option. There's something called a cut-in, I'm not sure what that is, but and in the mode option you have a pro mode, slow motion, panorama, and the various options that you get while capturing photos or videos. So this phone comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor which we've seen on many devices, and there's also a Type-C port on the bottom. One more thing to note is that there's no 3.5mm audio jack, which is becoming increasingly common in flagship phones. Alright then, thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, do give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel.